Giancarlo here from Vince's Market, and every weekend right now there's a big game on, so we wanted to highlight some of Vince's products that make it easy for you to entertain and enjoy the big games. So first off, we have Vince's own popcorn, which we make fresh in store 3 times a week, and it's movie style, so it's one of our favorites. On the right here we have Pico de Gallo, which again we make fresh in our commissary 3 days a week, delivered to the stores. It takes a lot of the legwork out of it. Great chips from Que Pasa, and of course guacamole, and today we're just going to run through how to put together the best guacamole. Ripe avocados, cilantro, onion, garlic, tomato, and lime juice. Prep your ingredients by mincing your garlic, rough chop your cilantro, and dice your onion and tomato to roughly the same size. To prepare your avocados, first slice around the avocado, twist to separate, remove the pit, and then use a large tablespoon to remove the avocado to a large preparation bowl. Use a fork to mash to a consistency that you like. Add your ingredients, squeeze lime juice, add salt and pepper to taste, and enjoy. Hope you're able to enjoy the big game with friends and family and some great food like this fresh guacamole that we made for you today.